Alright everybody, it's been a while since I've done a video here, well maybe a whole week or something like that. So I just have some quick proof of life videos here. So we're going to start off with, this is a GS4 that I installed sound in for someone. This is a 58731 Kato Japan board installed in this GS4. There's an 11x17 speaker in the back here. There, tender's back there. It's got a rear light in it. The board has had its factory lights replaced with much better looking lights that are not orangish greenish. I don't know if you can really see them flickering right there, but we got the Mars light separate and detached, and that can be all adjusted if somebody wants to go in Autoloc Programmer and figure that out. Yeah, so we'll start with that. Alright, next up is a Kato PA1, and similar to a couple of ones that I did previous video on, this is one of the Tsunami II TSU-KN1, and I already had the frames machined for an 11x17 speaker because the little speaker that comes with this decoder will not fit in there. Had to do a little scraping in the shell to clear one of the capacitors in there too, but whatever. Replace their LED in there also. I won't talk any more about that because I've already got a video on that. So. And there's the SoundTraxx equipped PA1. On to the next. Alright, up next we have a San Luis and Rio Grande SD9043 from Kato. And in order to put sound in this thing, this got an ESU Nano V5. The micros are a little too wide. You can make the nanos fit. Frame's been machined a little bit to take that, and 15x8 speaker. So, oh, it also has independent Ditchlight control. So, got that. What did I put that on? 5. Alright, next up is a Kato N-Scale Alaska SD70 Mac. Just like the SD9043, it has independent ditch lights. This one has a ESU 58741 board with separate independent controlled ditch lights. That, and those lights off. Headlight off. And move on to the next. Alright, just like the SD70 Mac, this SD70 ACE is a Kato product, and it came in, and it also had a ESU V5 58741 board installed. Same story as the other one. It has separated out ditch lights. They're controlled by 0402 surface mount LEDs that have been wired. Okay, so we will do that. So when you blow the horn on CSX units anyways, you get alternating ditch lights. So there you go. All right, next up is a Silver Streak Zephyr E5A from the set, Kato USA model. It's basically had the back machined out so it can take an 11x17 speaker in the back. Conveniently have a frame sitting right here, so basically that rear section is machined out. The Mars light is separated and independent, and so we'll just go ahead and fire this guy up. Forgot to mention this guy has a V5 micro that's wired into it. Same way that I do the P42s, which are conveniently up next. And last but not least, it's a P42. I've done a couple videos on these, so I'm not going to go too far into it, but the headlights and ditch lights were separated on this guy. So Also on the P42s, I forgot to mention, you can put these, if you hit F26 on a controller, it's either F26 or F23, it'll throw in a screamer mode where the engine is revving at full RPMs. Needless to say, that's really about it. This is just a brief overview of stuff that is all going out in the next day or two. So I got more projects over here to do, more E-units. But anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, thanks for watching. Have a great day.